Hello and welcome to this new video on how to upload high quality video on TikTok. So if you are new, subscribe and press the notification bell icon. So now let's get started. So firstly, we need to open your TikTok application. It is available in both Play Store as well as the App Store. And when the TikTok interface opens, in the bottom taskbar there is a plus sign. You just have to click on the plus sign. And when you are inside this interface, you can just hit the record button by pressing on the middle circular icon, or you can just upload a video from your gallery. And when you have chosen or recorded a video, then there will be a next button in the bottom right corner. You just have to click on the next button, and now you have to click on the next button once more, and this is the interface that is shown to you. And in this interface there is more options button, so you just have to click on the more options, and you just have to scroll down a little bit. And when you scroll down, you can see that there is an option for allow high quality uploads. So you just have to enable that options. If you have disabled, then you can just click on the button on the right hand side and you will be able to enable high quality upload. So this is how you can upload high quality videos on TikTok. So if this video was helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.